Hello everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the most sought-after cruiser bikes on the market, the Schwinn Destiny and Baywood Beach Cruiser Bike. This isn't just any bike. It's a standout in its category, perfect for women looking for comfort and style in their rides. Let's start by talking about why this bike stands out. The Schwinn Destiny and Baywood features a classic cruiser bike design with a steel frame and alloy rims. Designed not just for functionality but also for that timeless appeal. One of the standout features is its 24-inch wheels, ideal for riders between 4 feet 8 to 5 feet 6 tall, making it versatile for a wide range of users. The bike comes equipped with front and rear fenders to keep you clean and dry, which is perfect for those leisurely rides around town. Comfort is key when it comes to cruiser bikes, and the Schwinn Destiny delivers. It boasts a padded cruiser saddle with springs, ensuring a soft and comfortable ride even on longer journeys. Plus, it includes a rear cargo rack for added convenience, whether you're carrying groceries or heading to the beach. Now, let's talk about durability. The alloy steel frame not only provides strength but also ensures that the bike is built to last. Whether you're cruising along city streets or exploring scenic trails, the Schwinn Destiny is up to the task. Who is this bike perfect for? Well, it's great for women who appreciate quality and style in their rides. Whether you're commuting to work, enjoying a weekend ride with friends, or simply soaking in the sun, the Schwinn Destiny and Baywood fits the bill. Keep in mind, some assembly is required when you receive the bike. You'll need basic tools like metric Allen wrenches and screwdrivers, but the process is straightforward and shouldn't take too long. To sum it up, the Schwinn Destiny and Baywood Beach Cruiser Bike isn't just about getting from point A to B. It's about enjoying the journey. With its comfort, style, and durability, it's a fantastic choice for women looking to embrace cycling as part of their lifestyle. Thank you for tuning in to Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews on the latest products. Until next time, happy riding!